Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Khalisatul Azizzah Nolaili. Part 1. Look at the following plan, make a video presentation explaining the plan below. Present your presentation based on the question. Below I will explain the location of the location plan. This is a simple map showing several locations along Jalan Yosudarso and Jalan Martadinata. On Jalan Yosudarso, there are three locations: the National Bank of Indonesia, a Chinese restaurant, and Ramayana. On Jalan Martadinata, which intersect with Jalan Yosudarso, there are two locations on the left side, a railway station and a drugstore. On the right side of Jalan Martandinata, there is a public hospital. 1. Is there any public hospital near her? Where is it? Yes, there is a public hospital near B. It is location on Jalan Marta Dinata on the right side of the plan. 2. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? Bank Indonesia is location on Jalan Yos Sudarsono at the top of the plan on the left. 3. Where is Ramayana Department Store? Ramayana is location on Jalan Yosudarso and the top of the plan on the right. 4. Excuse me, are there any restaurant around here? Where is it? Yes, there is a restaurant nearby, namely a Chinese restaurant location on the Jalan Sudarsono at the top of the plan in the middle. 5. Can you tell me where the drugstore are, please? The pharmacy in location on Jalan Yosudarso at the bottom of the plan on the left. 6. Can you tell me the way to the railway station, please? The train station is located on Jalan Yosudarso at the bottom of the plan on the left, next to the pharmacy. Part 2. Create a video that tells about hobbies by answering the following question. 1. What is your hobby? My hobby are running, drawing calligraphy, cooking, and reading novels online and offline. 2. When do you usually do your hobby? Usually I do my hobby when I am tired of studying or working, but usually I also do it in my free time. 3. What do you usually do in your spare time? Most of the read online novels if they do not watch Chinese drama. Do you do the activity very often? It is said that it is often not because of lack of time might be. 5. How often do you do the activity in your spare time? Might be it is often because of free time. I want to sleep a marathon Chinese drama. 6. Where do you usually go for recreation? Usually I go to the beach if not to the mountain.